Right. So what we're going to do is learn how to calculate the area of a rectangle. So area is the space that is within a two-dimensional shape. So it is the size that this shape takes up. So it's everything within here. And so how to calculate an area of a rectangle? You take the length of the rectangle and you multiply it by the breadth. Or you could shorten that to a formula which is A equals L times B. So here we've got a rectangle. We can see it's a rectangle because those two lines mean that those two sides are the same size, and that line means that they're the same size. So we can write out the formula. Area equals length times breadth. Length is generally considered to be the longer one, although there won't be any difference because it doesn't matter which order you multiply two numbers in. But we can substitute in 12 times 4. And so 12 times 4 is 48. And we need to have our correct units. If the measure of length is centimetres, then the measure of area is centimetres squared. Okay, so that's very important. So then moving on to the next one. We've got here all sides, that's what these lines mean, are the same size, which means it is a square, which is a special type of rectangle. So some people write it as L times B, but some people write it as L squared as a variation on this formula because it's timesing 7 by itself, because it's going 7 times 7. Because if that's 7, that must be 7, which means that's 7 and that's 7. So then we can substitute that in. 7 squared just means 7 times 7, which is 49. And again, it's centimetres squared. Okay, so a little bit of an extension. I've given you the area, I've given you one length, and I want to find out this unknown length. So if I would do it the opposite way, we would do 6 times whatever this length is, and we would get the area. So I know that 60, because that's the area, will equal whatever 6 is times by x. Okay, 6 times what gives 60, and that is 10. So that means the length of x is going to be 10. And if that's centimetres squared and that's centimetres, this has got to be centimetres. And we can always check our answer. 10 times 6, yeah, that's 60. So a little bit more of a tricky one. We've got here again is a square, and I've told you the area is 36 centimetres squared. So we could think 36 will equal L squared. Okay, L squared means length times length. What number times itself gives 36? And that is 6. So L equals 6 centimetres. Check that, 6 times 6, 36, so we're correct. Okay, and that's the length. And that's how you calculate the area of a rectangle.